Welcome everybody. Glad you came by. I'm going to do a bloom today in oranges and golds. So I'll show you. This is Venetian Gold Deco Art. Prussian Blue. I'm going to use some orange. Halloween's coming. And I'm going to use quinacridone magenta. So stick around and we'll get to it. Okay, I came back. I just scraped one that I didn't like, so I'm gonna do another one. I think one of my colors was too thick, so it wasn't blowing out like I wanted it to. So I'm gonna thin it down some more. Okay. All right, my White House paint is down. Just want to make sure. All right. So there's my magenta. See, I thought it was thin enough, but I see that I'll try my orange. Very, very different. And that was the problem with my last one. I couldn't get it to blow out properly because it wasn't thin enough. So I can fix it, hopefully. That's much better. See that? Look at that. Okay, let's try this again. This is probably too thin. You gotta try and get them the same consistency, which sometimes plays tricks on you. One more drop of water for safekeeping. This is quinacridone magenta by Liquitex Basics. That's much better. Oh, excuse me. All right, let's try this again. This Payne's Gray. This might have thickened up a bit. I hope it's not too thick. Darn. Should have checked it earlier. Let's try this again now. This time I put my little deflector. It's a funnel rubber. Try it. I did it before and it was pretty good. Wow. That's much better. Practice makes perfect. Oh, I just love these colors together. I'm just going to let the middle come back together. See if I can hold it up for you. It's really pretty. Now I'm going to spin it, so I'm going to have to move this out of the way a little bit. I just love that Prussian blue. With the magenta. Oh. I hope I get that shimmery. The last one I did, it made like a shimmery, sparkly look over top of the painting. It was really nice. You'll see it when I post it. And this one might be similar. I wanted to have two on the same size. Yeah, as a matching pair. This gold by DecoArt, this is really a nice one. I like this color. The last one I did rose gold. This one is called Venetian gold. It really came out nice there. Okay, so I'm going to start spinning this. Okay. This is gorgeous. More gold in this one than I did in my last one. I'm going to spin this. Oh God, look at all the paint. Tons of paint coming off. Oh shoot. Too much of this coming off on this side. Yep, really there. Just, oh, there's a little white there and a little bit there. I might be able to just tilt this off. Okay, I think that's it. I might just take my finger. No. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at that, isn't that amazing? Oh, I don't think I can pick this up. I'll pick up the whole thing and I'll show you a close-up. Awesome! Thanks for coming by for this one. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment below, let me know what you think, ask me a question. Hit the bell for notifications for when I do a new video. You'll get notified. I would really appreciate it. I'm trying to get up to 70,000. I'm almost there. Anyways, have a great day and come back soon to Carol's Art Room. I hope you enjoy these videos and I hope they're helpful to you. Hi, everybody. Here is the dried bloom. These amazing colors that I just love, love, love. This is the second one I did in the same colors. This one has more lacing and cells than the other one, and the middle has more gold. The other one had more orange, but it's still beautiful. Bring you down for a close-up. It dried so smooth. Look at those cells, 2 colors in one. I love that. And the lacing up there. It's so pretty. There you go. There's the other one. You can see the difference. This one has more orange in it. Still pretty and shiny. All right, there you go. The star of the show. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you.